What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this 13x6 full frontal. It is so big curly unit from Ashimary hair, and look at the hairline. It's not even HD lace. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle that is trending all over Instagram, TikTok, you know the vibes. So keep on watching to see the install and styling tutorial. So I already did my ball cap off camera. I wanted to show you guys the inside of the wig so you can see it's a full frontal. There's a lot of parting space here, which I really liked. You can do any style you want to do pretty much for this wig. It did come pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and pluck it even more. I have a new plucking method coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. I will be putting out some virtual courses for you guys, and you know, all my YouTube videos will still be here, but for those who want like a more in-depth tutorial of what I do in my new updated method, keep a lookout for that. But they sent a bunch of goodies in the box. I don't know if you guys always get those goodies or if it's just us, but it was nice. Okay, so getting into the install, I did 3 or 4, I think I did 4 layers of my It's Sticky glue. This is my favorite glue to use. I just think that it gives you a pretty long lasting hold. So that's pretty much the only thing that I use until this bottle runs out. I'm probably going to go ahead and buy some more. I just like it that much. So I went ahead and with 3 layers of the It's Sticky glue, cleaned my skin and did skin prep before that, and got into the full wig install. I decided to do like wispy edges on this unit. I have been really feeling wispy edges. I think they look a lot more natural. I love me a good molded edge as well because it looks like I just got my hair done. I like the way they look on my clients as well. It looks like a fresh wig or a fresh hairstyle, but the wispy edges are really cute if you're going for that natural look, which I was trying to do since this is curly hair. So as you can see, the hairline I plucked extra. I love the way that it looks. I love this new plucking method that I have started to do. It just has been having all my units and my clients' units looking like super good. I'm finally where I want to be at with my installs, but I installed this wig the same as all of my other ones, but I did go ahead and use Ruby Kisses foundation in the shade level 12. I've been using the wrong shade, which is why I always felt like there was flashback on my lace, and that was because my shade or the undertone was wrong. So I used level 12, which was pretty much perfect. And then on the areas where there was like little light shadows on the sides for the most part, because the middle is always fine, the sides I did go in with like level 14 or 15 and just tapped a little bit of a darker shade on there to kind of get rid of that. But keep on watching the tutorial to see my full install of this unit, and make sure you're following me on social media, on my TikTok, and I also have a hair page TikTok that I will put in my description box where I post my clients, and I'll be posting more of like just like little hair hacks, wig hacks, things like that. If I'm not doing my own hair on TikTok, then I'm going to be posting it on that page, other than like my main TikTok page, which is Alicia B. You guys can follow that. Before I finish up with my voiceover, I wanted to mention this hair is a 26 inch, I believe, or a 28 inch. The exact length will be in the description box, but it is really long. I love the way it looks once the curls are defined. I just did a little bit of mousse here, but when I do the second style, I actually added water to it. Like off camera, I defined the curls and all that before I got into it. But I love the way that this hair looks wet and dry. It doesn't get too big, but the curls are really defined, but not that kinky curly type of curl. It is not like as tangly as a kinky curly type of curl, you know, where it kind of shrinks up. It doesn't have that. It's kind of like more Jerry curl vibes. I really like this. It's really nice. It's like a little bit more curly than water wave, but still a natural looking curl pattern. The only thing that I would say about this hair is that it does get dry, so you have to treat it like it's your real curly hair and actually put some products on it.
to hold me and kiss me slowly. It's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are